Hey everybody, this is Puff from thetechcover.com, and today I'm real excited because my computer's been getting a little slow. I think my hard drive's been getting a little floppy. But today we're going to be installing a brand new unopened solid state drive that I got for my birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, thank you. Thank you, you're too kind. Now, if we can get this show on the road, Vince, bring my computer. Thank you, Vince. Now get out of here and make me a sandwich. Little trick I learned from my level 57 witch doctor. Now here we have the Intel SSD 330. This is a 2.5-inch drive, which means if you're going to want to install it in your desktop at home, like we're going to be doing today, you're going to need the adapter that it comes with, as well as the beautiful solid state drive in all its glory, and of course, some screws. Now you'll notice you have 4 ridges on the mounting kit, and what you're going to want to do is install the SSD so that the connectors are on the end where they're the most exposed. Now you're going to want to flip the whole thing over so you'll have easy access to put your screws in. So get your screw, get your Phillips head screwdriver, and let's get started. Start screwing these in and boom! Puff magic right there. Wow, that's a nice computer, says you viewers at home. Well, thank you, it's mine. And now, since we're all ready, I guess we should put our little fingers on it. No! Always stay grounded! By touching something metallic, like your refrigerator, your washing machine, or if you're lazy like me, just touching the case. Now we have a toolless case here, which means lucky for us, it comes with these brackets that'll slide right in to the screw holes, like so. Snap them right in with your fingers. And once you get both of them in, you're ready to go, and you're ready to slide that right into your case. Next, you're going to want to find out where your hard drive goes. Now, unfortunately, every case is different, but for this one, you'll notice we already have 2 hard drives here at the bottom. There's plenty of space for more. So find an open slot, and take your SSD, and slide it right in. Now the last thing you're going to need to do is hook up the 2 things that you need on the SSD. One is the SATA cable that's going to connect to the motherboard, and the other is the SATA cable that connects to your power supply to give it electricity. So let's plug those bad boys in. We'll skip this. There you go. Then you're going to want to take the other side of that SATA cable that goes to the motherboard and plug it into an open slot on the motherboard. Now your computer's all hooked up with a state-of-the-art SSD, but if you really want to enjoy the speed increase it's going to give you, don't forget to install your favorite applications as well as Windows directly onto the SSD itself. We'll show you how to do that in another video. This was a good birthday. But where's my sandwich that I ordered like 10 minutes ago? It's about time. What's this? An apple? The worst fruit? How hard is it to make a sandwich? In conclusion, I think that's it. I got to deal with this guy.